I know creating content and running a business is usually difficult, but if you're a business owner, you want to build authority online, get a lot of sales, and get more opportunities in your business, then you need to do content creation. So in this video, I'm going to teach you everything you need to know about content creation as a business owner. So you need to stick to the end, because at the end of this video, I'm going to tell you how to get my free content ideas for business owners. So if you're just coming across this channel for the first time, hi, my name is Precious. I share business ideas, business growth tips, making money online. So if this sounds like something you would love, do also hit on that subscribe button to be a part of our amazing community. And this is my 30-day series where I attempted to start up a business from scratch with no money at all. So this is day 19. If you've missed previous days, you need to go back so that you understand how we got here today. So today we are going to talk about content creation, how content creation, the importance of content creation, and everything you need to know basically about content creation as a business owner. Most small businesses are failing today. It's not because they don't have amazing products, but it's because they don't understand content creation. You can see someone with normal basic products, they are making lots of sales because they understand content creation. So in essence, you can be selling the best clothes, the best food, the best shoes, the best bag, but if nobody sees you, nobody knows you, nobody is going to buy from you. So first of all, what is content creation? A lot of people think that content creation is dancing on TikTok, but no, that's not what content creation is all about. Content creation is you creating anything online for the purpose of your business. It's called content creation. So you can create videos, you can post images, pictures, and post flyers, Instagram videos, TikTok videos. They are all content, right? Post on your stories, you can share tips. They are all content. If you already post online, congratulations, that is the first step. But most business owners do not make sales because they're always posting available, DM to order, buy from me, things like that. They don't show us their face. Most people only post products without even showing their face. So you need to understand that people don't just buy products anymore. They buy trust, they buy connection. So you need to show up, put your face out there, and I'm going to show you the right way to post with strategy for your business. Why is content creation important? Content creation is important because it helps your business to be discovered. It helps you to build authority. It helps people to remember your business, and it helps people to buy from you more. That's the importance of content creation. Imagine opening a shop in the middle of nowhere, no signboard, nothing. That's how your business feels like without content creation. So content is your online visibility. Imagine you posting every day as a small business owner. It beats you having a big beautiful products, but you post only once in a while. So actually you need to show up consistently, because consistency actually beats perfection. Content will also help you build authority, build loyal customers, and get more sales than you would normally get with just posting your product and saying buy from me. I'm going to be giving you 5 content tips in this video. The first tip I'm going to give you is that you should not be posting only your products. You should try to create engaging content like behind the scene, customer testimonials, your process when you're making some of your products or your services. Just post things like that. Don't just post the product and say available, DM to order, buy from me. So that is tip number 1. Tip number 2 is always use a hook. The first 3 seconds of your video is very important. So say something that will make people to stop. Say something that will make people to stop scrolling. That is what a hook is. So always use a hook in your videos to make people not to scroll past you. Instead of saying something like, hi guys, welcome back, say something that will build curiosity, something that will make people curious, that will make them want to stop and listen to what you're saying. That is what a hook is. But 3, always show your face, or once in a while you can show your face. I know that some of us as business owners, we are shy. We don't want to be out there. We don't want to be content creators. But you need to overcome that shyness. Show your face on camera. It helps people connect more with you. It helps you build trust with your audience. Yeah. So you can show your face, show your process, show your office space, show your work too. You need to also talk on the camera, do voiceovers, share your stories. So tip number 4, be consistent. Consistency is where most people fail. They will post 3 times, for 3 days, and then they will disappear. And 1 month time, they will not come back and start posting again. But learn how to be consistent. Look for what works for you. Can you be posting 3 times in a week? Can you be posting once every day? Just look for what works for you and be consistent with that pattern. It really helps. Consistency helps you to tell the algorithm that you're there, and show the algorithm that you're serious, and the algorithm will help you find your right audience. Tip number 5: learn to educate and entertain. So if you're struggling with sales, or you're not making enough gain in your business, I'm going to leave my guide in the description of this video, teaching about sales, everything you need to do to make more sales. Get my PDF and thank me later. I'm also going to be dropping my 30 days free content prompt in the description of this video. You can use it to create content for your video. So tip number 5: educate and entertain. Most people come on social media to be entertained. They come to watch comedies, do things that will keep them entertained, right? So you can help bring people to your channel or bring people to your page by educating them or entertaining them. People also love to learn, right? So if you're selling things like bag, you can teach us how to keep the bag, make the bag last longer. You can give us tutorials, you can give us how to style the bag, different things. So you can teach your audience. It will help them want to follow you because they know that they are going to derive value from you. Or you can also entertain them, because when they are happy, they can easily follow you. They want people that will make them, keep them entertained and keep them hooked on the platform. Content creation is no longer optional for businesses. Content creation is a must for businesses. If you enjoyed today's video, do well to share this video to a business owner. Help them to create the right content for their business. And if you're going to start creating content, or you're already creating content, let me know in the comment section. And make sure you like this video, hit on that subscribe button if you want business ideas, or you want to grow your business and make money online. And I'll see you tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.